Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. So without much talking, let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how you can download torrent file without a torrent downloader, like uTorrent, BitTorrent. So for that, I'm now in YT's site, a big movie collection site. So I am going to today show you how you can download this movie. So I click view details. It pops a lot of times advertisement, so you can close that and come back. Now I'm going to download 720p web version. You can download 1080p web version also. So I click on here. So it downloaded the torrent file. So normally for downloading torrent file you need a torrent client. So I'm showing how you can download it as a direct link. For that, I'm going to see the .cc site. Here now I'm on my CD account. So here, this interface, you can see how much space you have in your server, and you can upload files here. And here I show you how you can increase your space by referring your friends. So before that, for main part, I upload this file to the server. Now it is showing collecting seeds. Normally, you download in torrent, you collecting seeds and it download to your computer. Now in this step we upload that torrent file to the server and download it to your account. Now it download to the server. Now it's ready for download you as a direct link. So you can click here and download it as a zip file. Now I'm clicking this, starting download. You can see it is started downloading. So I'm cancelling it because I previously downloaded that file. So now I'll show you how it's downloaded. This is that zip file. You can right click, show options, and click extract here. So in a couple of minutes you can see this is the file. So here you have the movie. So let's talk about benefits of using CD. Main benefit is you can download so much faster than normal downloading a torrent file, because this acts like you download a file from a cloud server. Your files are in cloud and you download it. So you can download that files in your normal download speeds. When you compare to using torrent clients, your ISPs slow down your connection speed when you download in torrent file. So with using CD, you have no problem with that. Now I'll show you how you can earn free space on your cloud. Normally when you first create your account, as I remember, only have 2 GB space, but you can upgrade your storage space. So see, they have a referral system. On that you can share this link for your friends, or you also can create different emails and create accounts, but it is limited only to 4 friends. For each referrer you get 500 MB free space up to 4 friends. That means 2 GB space. When your friend login from that link, he get also a 500 MB free space. So I'll put my referral link on description box, so you can get 500 MB free space. For further extend your space, you have two options. You can put a Twitter review post. After you do that, after they review, you get 500 MB, and you can put a blog post on your blog. After the review, they will credit you 500 MB or 1000 MB. So if you want more space, you can go for a paid plan. It's the basic plan for the $7 per month, and pro version 100 GB, $10 per month, and master plan $20 per month. So hope you enjoy the video. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be sure to put a comment what you feel, and see you in the next video.